Today I have a unique problem with this trim piece. I picked up this JB Weld plastic bonder. I'm gonna see if it's gonna hold. And what I mean by that is this here, trim piece here, is separated. The challenge with this trim piece is that I can't just pull it off or pop it off the door from the outside. I have to take the whole inside out or disassemble it to get to the bolts to unscrew that trim piece. It's a little tiny bolt too, of all things. It's not even a big bolt. This has never been opened, I suppose. Oh, there we go, screwdriver. Look at that little itty bitty screw in there. There we go. Let's see this one here. Okay. Not so bad. Now it's getting bad. What did I break? Broke this whole thing. Looks like I'm gonna have to glue that too. And then there's this tab here that just snaps into this one here. Snaps in sideways, which means when I do this side, instead of pulling out, I need to pull towards me, in theory. Oh, and that worked much better. This one came out without breaking. The trick is to pull in towards the center on both sides after the fact. Put this in a lock position. Ooh. Now, if I remember correctly, it's easier to have these pegs in. Hope I didn't break it out too bad. And then you can just push it back in theory. So let's like snap these back in so we don't lose them. I have one left over. Oh, there we go. Set this aside. This butyl is best taken off with a knife. Just gently pull it away and slice down, and it's a lot easier to stick back on. So here is the tab. Is that getting it? Okay, now I'm gonna get desperate. I think these two pieces here might also be holding that back plate on. There is absolutely no tension. That's odd. It's almost like this thing doesn't even do anything. Oh, now there's a hole. Does that pinch down and pull out, or pinch up and pull out? Down. So squeeze that down, pops out. And there's a blue thing here. Seems like it should just pop out. These bad boys do not want to come out, do they? I don't know if this is good news, but I can see it separating from this side. Oh, there's another bolt here. Maybe that's holding it in. Just the slightest amount of pressure on one side to release the pin on the other. And that slightly seemed to work. Slightly. Okay, that just broke. There's nothing to that at all. What is holding it in? Oh, kidding me. License plate bolt? No. There's only one way to find out. Yeah. License plate. Note to self. Remove license plate. Now that the license plate's removed, there's a bit more flexibility. This just doesn't make any sense. What else is holding it in? Nothing now. Here are those plastic things. Oh, these black tabs stay in there? So this literally just pulls off? Yeah, I don't get this. Okay, anyway, let's unscrew this. Oh, I can't shut the door because if I shut the door, I won't be able to open it because the handle's taken off. Tab 1, tab 3, tab 5, tab 6. Does this match up? Barely. It's still not much. Yeah, that matches up. Barely. That means this would match up on this side. What about this one? See how that works? That works. And this one here. And I suppose that'll be okay. So that's what we got. Now for the glue. A big part of this is going to be removing all the grease. This is alcohol and water. Let's get the pieces. And this bad boy. Let's do a once down, a spray away, which is also another good grease remover. Here goes nothing. Okay, mix this out. I should have read the directions first. Set for 15 minutes, cure for 30. Okay, I guess let's mix her up. Let me get that on here first. So I got tab 1, tab 3, Yankee tab 5. Add some on this side. Tab 1, tab 3, and set it in like this and give her 15 minutes of rest. Now for this guy. Do this in first and then go to the top and just stick right in. So let's get the top part and drop it in best I can. For some reason this one here just doesn't want to stay. Why are you such a little problem child? So I completely ran out of light. Also, I had this one and I had this one flipped. I had to break them off and re-glue them. If you look at it, these two short ones go on the outside, and then the ones with the bump are the second two, and then the third two with the screws are right here. It's been 1 hour since these two dried. It says the cure time's 15 minutes. It should be enough, I hope, to bolt it in without it breaking again. This piece I'm really happy with. It's pretty stuck on there. So let's switch over to the Phillips. Snap this guy on. The alignment's just okay, but not great. It appears to be holding, even though my alignment's not perfect. Let's give all these a cinch. Oh, I'm missing a clip here. Oh, yes. I'm so lucky. I'm able to find it. Everything is connected, light. Tap it in. License plate is in, and everything looks nice and tight. Like there's a little bit of a protrusion from the gluing. Nice little cinch. All right. Test, test, test. If I've learned anything in my life, it's to make sure that I test. Cool. Now we know the door should open for sure. Let's reattach this electrical connector and this electrical connector here. I'm gonna go test the backup camera real quick. thing I have is more crap. Man, this thing is not coming out. I don't know if it's for safety or security, but it makes for a big pain. Open. The screw here. I wonder what that was for. Ooh, a toolkit. I didn't even know this was in there. There's a bunch of pieces missing too.